automatic rigging from Blender called Rigify. You learn now that you learned how to build from scratch, and how to position bones, and you understand forward and inverse kinematics and stuff. So Blender has automatic rigging method called Rigify. So in order, it comes with Blender, but you need to actually to add as an add-on. It's not there, so I mean, you're like this, there, and you just search here rig, and it comes here, it appears here, Rigify. Okay, so that is on. When that is on, then you will be able to see here a new tab under add armature. So here we had single bond that we used before, and then we have the human meta rig. I'm just going to look at this. It's one of the most popular ones. So I use the human meta rig. And this one you have all the facial bones. Yeah, so if you have characters that you want to create, animate, talking, or with facial expressions, you have that. So that is the one meta rig. And then we also have here amateur animals. You have birds, cats, horses. Let's have a look at the horse. Yeah, so let me just press G here. Yeah, so if you have creatures or animals, you have the whole bone structure created. Of course, you need to model the objects, the models. So if you look at here in the meta rig on the left hand side, the right hand side, everything is nicely named. As you learned how important is the naming those bones correctly. So everything is already nicely made for you. Let's have a look what else we have. Armature. Yeah, cat, horse, shark. Let's have a look at the shark. Yeah, so. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, so now I'm just going to delete all of this, and I'm going to use a simple one, which I'm going for the basic one. So the basic one, a human meta rig, and the basic quadruped one. So let's have a look at the basic human meta rigs. It's the same as the other one without the facial bones. So for what we need now for a simple guy, that's what we're looking for at the moment. We're not going to go into the facial rigging at this point. Okay, so that's what we have. All the bones are nicely named. So how do we create this rig? At the moment, there is no inverse kinematics or anything. So it's just the bone structure, and the parenting, it's already done. So what you do, let's bring our simple guy here, our simple character that we used in the previous lesson. Import. I don't remember where I put it. FBX. Rigify. Import. So that's our character there. I could make the character larger. Let's just scale. Or you could just, let's do the other thing. Let's actually bring this one down. First of all, I want it to be in the front. So I come here to my bone, viewport display, and I want to be in front so I can always see. So let's just scale this down. Okay. And actually, so go here to my orthographic view. Oh, fighting with the screen today. Okay, so I just need to adjust a few things. So go to my edit mode and just move these guys a little bit. Oh, so actually I want to press the symmetry button there. So I just want to make sure that is centered. Maybe I'm going to leave this one like that. So I'm going to press 3. So now I need to adjust the arms. See, in this one, the simple one, you haven't got the fingers either. So you have to do that yourself. I just want to try to make sure it's maybe this one a little bit back. As I'm not really animating fingers at this point, I'm just going to put adjust there. Right, okay. Maybe I put this a little bit top. I think the neck is in the right place. Okay, so we have it. Okay. So the one thing we need to do now, because I scale, I think if I try to, let's go back to object mode. If I try to parent, Control P, it's not going to parent. Did it parent? Let's have a look. But oh, it did parent. So, well, anyway, what I wanted to say is that before you do parenting, so I'm going to shift, so go back to my object mode, Shift P, Control P, Alt P, sorry, Alt P to clear parent. Okay. The one thing I want to do first, I want to add some of my controllers, and then I will parent the controller. With the rig, with the controllers, yeah, with all the inverse kinematics and everything that it needed. First of all, I need, because I scaled, so I need to apply the scale, because you see that the scale is, where was it? Can't remember where it is. Oh, here you go, scale 0.67 and scale for less. We don't want that. We want the scale always to be 1. So we go here to object, apply, scale. So now it's back to 1. That's what we want. So once I'm happy with that, I select the rig and I go to my, this one here, object data properties here, and I click generate rig, and then the whole sort of things appeared here. It can be quite busy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the eye here for the meta rig, so I only see the character and the controllers. And what these controllers do, they already designed to make it our lives easy when animating. So let me just show you. Before I do anything, now I need to parent the character to this rig with the controller. So I just select the character first and select the rig, not the meta rig, the rig. Yeah. So, and then I will then Control P, Command P if you're on the Mac, and then I go to armature deform with automatic weights. Bam. Right. So let's just test it, shall we? So if I now go to pose mode, yeah, let's see. If I press G and it comes already with, let's just the foot, all the inverse kinematics is done. You still might need to do weight painting if you have problems with it, so you know how to do weight painting now. So let's see where the controllers, which controllers do I have? So that's probably to control the hand, yeah. So I can also rotate, yeah. So it's all set up for you. So this one I can, oh, not this one, I can, gee, this one, oh, what does it do? Oh, that's the shoulder. I can use this one. You need to get familiar with whatever you have here. So rotate. Yeah. And I think even this one, if you, yeah, I did this one before, and I think, yeah, you click this one to, can click both, and then I do another video with some animation. This one, it don't actually, it depends what you want to animate, but you know, I have to think about what you want, what kind of movements you want, because this is stretching here. So yeah, so this one actually does both. But you know, when you're animating, you're probably going to bring the whole thing down. Yeah. So, and this one is for you to move, put your character whatever you want. Yeah. So that's how to use Rigify. Got the neck here. Yeah. So have a go at this. Let's see what this one does. Oh, no, we don't want that. Okay. This is the one. Yeah. So I can rotate. Right. Okay, so this is how to use Rigify. Have a go at this, and in the next lesson we're going to look at some basic animations, character animation, and all how to animate in Blender. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.